Zendrop works with AliExpress by integrating its platform with AliExpress suppliers, allowing dropshippers to source products directly from AliExpress to sell on their own online stores. Here's how Zendrop facilitates this process. Product selection. Users browse AliExpress through Zendrop's platform to find products they want to sell in their stores. They can select products based on criteria such as popularity, reviews, and supplier reliability. Product import. Once the product is chosen, users can import it directly into Zendrop. This action transfers all essential product information, images, descriptions, variants, and pricing from AliExpress to Zendrop. Customization. Users can customize imported products within Zendrop to fit their brand and pricing strategy. They can adjust product titles, descriptions, and set their own retail prices. Order management. When a customer purchases a product from their online store, Zendrop automatically sends the order details to the AliExpress supplier. The supplier then fulfills the order by shipping the product directly to the customer. Tracking and support. Zendrop provides tracking information to both the user and their customers, enabling real-time shipment tracking. They also offer customer support for order-related inquiries and issues.